Today we're going to be looking at one of the crystal chemical dosing systems for swimming pools. This particular one is the MV type, and it has the chemical controller at the top. Underneath we have the pre-filter to protect the probes. Then we have the flow cell with the two probes, a flow switch, an earthing point, and next to it a place to take a sample if you need to test it. And we have the inlet and outlet for the sample flow line. Right on the outside of the board we have various bits of text, and we start off with a pH calibration guide which explains how to do it and when you should do it. Then the same for the redox probe. Underneath we have some water testing and basic water quality guides just to point you in the right direction. The other side of the board has some health and safety information, a place to put a sticker for whoever fitted the board, and then the very bottom for when it was installed and commissioned and signed for and dated properly. This particular controller is one of the WD ones again, and has two peristaltic pumps on the front. And these can be set to run out either on, off or proportional modes. One for the pH correction and one for the sanitizer. To get access to the memory is very easy. You just press the button, we enter the passcode, which is 4 zeros factory set, and we're now into the main menu. We start off with set point, which again is you can set either one of them, pH or the millivolts, and we can exit that. And we can work down through the menus. One which is particularly useful is the pumps. We can set the pumps to run continuously while we calibrate them and prime them up properly. So we can set that, and we can put a time limit. We have a probe failure, see if we can check the probes. We have flow, various different things down through, and when we get to the end of the menu we have exit. We just press again and we're out of the exit. And if you don't give your customer the passcode, all they can see is the pH levels and millivolt levels and check the time and dates. As we can see, we've got no flow at the minute because there's no flow through the system. Very straightforward to use. It can be connected to the Hermes remote connectivity system. We also offer a site survey, installation, commissioning and full training on any of the crystal systems. If you'd like any more information on them, please contact one of the sales team, or if I can be of any more help, please contact us in the usual way.